Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share my all-time favorite drink with all of you. I call this drink the Miracle Elixir because it acts like a miracle. It actually helps to eliminate weight. It's incredible how many people I know that have started drinking this find that their bodies are dropping pounds. They're also finding that they feel more energized and they're not craving sugar the way they used to. So there are three main ingredients, and these ingredients can be found at your local grocery store. The first one is pure cranberry juice. This is cranberry juice without sugar. I like to buy the organic one. The second one is apple cider vinegar, the magical cure. The third one is a couple drops of stevia. What I like to do is find a nice little mason jar. I fill the mason jar with water first, and I fill it just about up to the top. Purified water's best, or distilled water. Then I take about a tablespoon of the organic cranberry juice, about a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar. You don't want to miss this ingredient. So many benefits to apple cider vinegar. Then I take just a couple drops of stevia, and this stevia takes away the acidic taste. I put the lid on the mason jar, and the magic begins when you start to shake. So you shake it up, and you have a nice little white foam on top. So you can see that. I take a nice fine rimmed glass, pour it into the glass, and there you have it, your Miracle Elixir. It is so delicious. It reminds me of very bitter lemonade. It's nice if you add some ice as well if it's a hot day, but if it's a cool day, it actually warms your body. So enjoy it, enjoy the Miracle Elixir. I hope that this is a great treat for you and your friends, and I hope you benefit from it, which I'm sure you will.